What if I told you your business could be losing money by trusting traditional costing methods? In today's competitive world, inaccurate costing is like driving blindfolded. Let me show you a smarter way, activity-based costing. Let's unlock true efficiency. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are diving deep into activity-based costing, what it is, why it matters, and how you can implement it. Traditional costing allocates overheads using broad averages. ABC assigns costs based on actual activities that drive costs. Example, in a furniture manufacturing company, setup, cutting, assembly, and finishing are activities. ABC traces overheads like machine depreciation and electricity to these. Why ABC matters? Improves accuracy of product costing. Identifies non-value added activities. Supports strategic pricing decisions. Enhances customer profitability analysis. ABC doesn't just help with costing, it reshapes how you look at your operations. Core components of ABC. Activities. What work is being done? Cost pools, grouping of costs by activity. Cost drivers, what causes the cost? Example, number of setups, machine hours. Cost objects, products, services, customers. How to implement ABC? Step 1. Identify major activities in your process. Step 2. Assign overhead costs to activity cost pools. Step 3. Determine cost drivers for each activity. Step 4. Calculate cost driver rates. Step 5. Assign costs to cost objects using cost driver rates. Challenges and best practices. Challenges. Time-consuming data collection. Resistance from employees. Best practices. Start small, pilot project. Use software, tools to automate. Align ABC with strategic goals. ABC is not just an accounting tool, it's a business transformation tool. If you want to truly understand your costs and improve profitability, this is where to begin. Like, share, and comment if you found this useful, and subscribe for more deep dives into strategic costing.